This is the experiment push buttons for the Arduino Uno. When you push one button, the LED comes on. Push the other button, the LED comes on. But if you push both of them, well, I'll push one first, and then you push the second button while holding the first, it turns it off. It's pretty simple, but nice experiment. So you're on. So basically what you're doing is you're disconnecting the circuit in simple terms. Anyway, that's what it appears to be doing to me, and since I've just gotten this just recently, I would assume that's what's happening, since it's a pretty simple circuit. But it works though. Hope you enjoyed this video.